Dear viewers, today we are going to discuss The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism by Max Weber. The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism by Max Weber explores the connection between Protestantism and the emergence of modern capitalism in Northern Europe during the 16th and 17th centuries. This period saw significant economic, religious, and social transformations. The schism of the Catholic Church led to the emergence of Protestantism, which emphasized individual interpretation of Scripture and a direct relationship with God. Protestant reformers like Martin Luther and John Calvin challenged Catholic dogma and practices and paved way for diverse Protestant denominations. Puritanism, a movement within Protestantism, emphasized hard work, frugality, and personal responsibility. Calvinism, in particular, introduced the concept of predestination, which led to a focus on earthly success as a sign of divine favor. These values aligned with the emerging capitalist spirit and encouraged entrepreneurship, investment, and innovation. Protestantism and Puritanism grew stronger and stronger in Northern Europe. The absence of a centralized authority allowed for greater autonomy, leading to the growth of trade, commerce, and industry. The Protestant work ethic and emphasis on individual responsibility created a culture conducive to capitalist development. Weber argues that Protestant values contributed to the emergence of modern capitalism by encouraging hard work and diligence, fostering individualism and personal responsibility, promoting frugality and thrift, emphasizing earthly success as a sign of divine favor. These values led to the development of a capitalist mindset, which emphasized rational calculation and efficiency, investment and profit making, innovation and entrepreneurship. The emergence of capitalism in Northern Europe during the 16th and 17th centuries was facilitated by the intersection of Protestantism, Puritanism, and Calvinism. The resulting cultural and economic shifts laid the groundwork for the Industrial Revolution and the dominance of capitalism in the modern era. Now a word about the critique of Weber's theory. Firstly, critics argue that Weber oversimplified the complex relationships between religion, culture, and economy. Secondly, some question the direct causal links between Protestantism and capitalism, suggesting other factors played a more significant role. Thirdly, examples of capitalist growth in Catholic areas challenge Weber's focus on Northern Europe. Fourthly, the theory fails to account for the emergence of capitalism in earlier periods or non-Western contexts. Fifthly, Japan's capitalist development, which did not follow the Protestant capitalism link, challenges Weber's theory. Sixthly, many argue that the emergence of capitalism resulted from a complex of factors rather than a single cause. Finally, Weber himself acknowledged the complexity of the issue and the need for further research, which has been overlooked by critics. And now, some counter-arguments. Firstly, while Weber's theory may oversimplify certain relationships, it still provides valuable insights into the historical development of capitalism. Secondly, the correlation between Protestantism and capitalism is not merely coincidental, and Weber's work highlights the significant role of religious ideology in shaping economic systems. Thirdly, the existence of capitalist growth in Catholic areas does not necessarily refute Weber's theory, as it may be attributed to other factors such as cultural exchange or political influences. Fourthly, his work has shaped the fields of sociology, economics, and history. Fifthly, it laid the groundwork for further research on the relationships between religion, culture, and economy. Finally, Weber's theory remains relevant for understanding the specific historical context of Northern Europe during the 16th and 17th centuries. Ultimately, Weber's theory is not only influential but also foundational and contextually relevant. Though it has faced significant challenges, it remains a crucial contribution to the ongoing debate about the emergence of capitalism. Therefore, its tenability depends on acknowledging both its insights and limitations, as well as the complexity of the historical context. With that, we come to the end of today's talk. Thank you very much.